The Curiosity rover is a small SUV-sized robot currently exploring the Gale crater on Mars. The main goal of the Curiosity rover is to find out if Mars is suitable for human life. The rover will carry out this mission by exploring the Martian climate and geology on Mars. It will also search for remnants of water and potentially past life on Mars. The Curiosity rover was launched on November 26, 2011, as a part of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory mission. The Curiosity was one of 4 rovers sent by NASA to Mars, and is also the biggest, weighing at 900 kilograms and 2.9 meters long by 2.7 meters wide. The rover successfully landed in the Gale crater on August 6, 2012, 9 months and 10 days after its initial launch.
Curiosity is nuclear powered. The rover's power comes from a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator. The generator produces electricity from the heat of the plutonium-238 decay. This happens through the process of nuclear fission, when the plutonium atom splits into multiple smaller atoms. The electricity produced from the nuclear fission is then stored into lithium-ion batteries. The Curiosity uses this electricity to function. The Curiosity also has chemical cameras to help it analyze the chemical composition of rocks and soil on Mars. The camera works by firing a laser to analyze the specific elemental composition of the vaporized material. The light from the laser travels back through a telescope and through a fiber optic link to the body of the ChemCam. The body carries 3 spectrographs, which divides plasma light into constituent wavelengths for chemical analysis.
The Curiosity rover gives us a better understanding of the landscape of Mars. The Curiosity has the potential to be able to discover biological life on Mars, whether it be small bacteria or a whole unknown Martian species. The Curiosity rover has also helped develop a better understanding of the Martian atmosphere, helping NASA scientists develop ways for future spacecraft to safely enter and leave the atmosphere. The rover can also measure levels of radiation, which can be a crucial part of life on Mars. The Curiosity rover has more benefits than other rovers sent to Mars. Its larger size and 6 large wheels allow it to maneuver through rougher terrains. This advantage is quite significant for its lifespan, because with more maneuverability, it can move itself into sunny areas, letting its solar panels charge itself faster. Since the Curiosity is a rover, it has advantages over many stationary craft. It can move around the surface on Mars with a 360-degree view of its area at all times. The rover can also travel a long distance of 200 meters a day, unlike stationary craft which can't move whatsoever. The Curiosity also has high-tech communication equipment and software, making it easier to communicate back with NASA in a short amount of time. This is crucial for the scientific research currently being recorded on Earth.
With the Curiosity's incredible technology, it still has many problems and limitations. One of these limitations happened just 6 months from landing. This problem was dangerous computer glitch, which could have possibly lost contact with Earth forever. Luckily, it didn't. Some other problems with the Curiosity included damaged wheels, mechanical issues with drills, and a malfunction with its gas sniffing analysis instrument. Some limitations with the Curiosity so far is that it can go a maximum of 200 meters a day. Another limitation with the Curiosity is that 2 stabilizing posts of the drill do not work properly, limiting the weight of the samples it could collect. The Curiosity so far helped scientists learn new facts about Mars they didn't know before. This includes the discovery of boron, which is an essential ingredient for life on Earth. This discovery supports the possible inhabitants of the Gale crater on Mars. The majority of scientists say this $2.5 billion investment on Mars research is worth it, since it might discover some potential places on Mars inhabitable for humans. In the year 2020, NASA will be sending another rover to Mars, as well as the European Space Agency for future research. Maybe one day your ancestors will live on Mars.